Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming Mac OS is current and noting the exact battery status. You need that baseline. Once done, plug the MagSafe or USB-C adapter and keep the machine connected. Make sure you have 10-15 minutes and a backup of critical files as a precaution. Now perform a power cycle. Shut down, wait 10 seconds, then hold the appropriate keys for your model to reset the system management controller. This often clears service flags by recalibrating hardware reporting. Once the SMC reset completes, run Apple Diagnostics to capture any persistent hardware errors, disconnect peripherals and reboot holding D, then note any codes. Next, calibrate the battery. Charge to 100% and keep charging for 2 hours, then use the Macbook until it shuts down from low power. Finally, charge uninterrupted to 100% again. This helps the system relearn full and empty thresholds. Make sure to inspect cycle count and voltage in system information to confirm realistic readings. You finish by resetting NVRAM/PRAM to clear stored sensor states. Reboot and hold Option Command PR for about 20 seconds, then recheck battery info. If the service warning remains, create a fresh user account to exclude profile corruption or login agents affecting reporting. If nothing fixes it, record any Apple Diagnostics codes and the exact system information values. Those codes tell you whether a replacement is truly required. If you see persistent hardware errors, prepare for professional service using the logged diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.